It's contract renewal time with FindLaw. Dun dun dun. And I'm trying to decide whether or not to sign again. Their metrics seem to show a good number of people seeing my page. Is there no boost from their link juice? Okay, so FindLaw. Do not go with FindLaw. For the love of God, don't go with FindLaw. But it sounds like you've already gone with FindLaw. So follow-up question or follow-up tip is, here's the problem. I see with FindLaw, I've seen their reports before, and all the reports that I've seen with FindLaw, they're very vanilla, very like they'll say like you had 500 website visitors or 500 page. No, actually, one they love to use is page views, right? But page, like if I'm one person and I go to your website and I visit 25 pages, that's 25 page views. So like it's not really a real number. Now, unless they've updated their reports, it's been a few years since I've seen the reports, but the reports were very vanilla, and for what I remember, they weren't very useful. I mean, like for example, with my company, what we do is we actually will get on the computer with you, and we'll actually screen share with you, and we'll show you the Google Analytics reports, and we'll say, okay, here is how many people came from Facebook, here's how many people came from Twitter, here's how many people found you in Google, here's how many phone calls you got, all that type of stuff. So, and FindLaw just isn't good. I mean, that's I posted a screenshot today actually. From a client of ours who he fell for the FindLaw sales pitch and he left, and they launched a new website. And I mean, you can see exactly where they launched his website because it's just plummets. It's like a cliff, like all of his, his Google visibility, everything. It just dropped like a lead balloon. Because they just don't know what they're doing. I'm really excited about this. I did an interview with one of their SEO people. It was an anonymous interview, and basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just waiting to get the audio back where we changed his voice, like he's in the witness protection program, because he didn't want to get fired, but he also he was also he's just talking about how bad FindLaw is and how they really just don't. They don't do. You got to hear the interview, but basically, a lot of attorneys are kind of under the impression that they're getting search engine optimization services and things like that, and they really don't get it unless they call up and really, really complain and be that squeaky wheel. What was your question? Is there a boost from their link juice? Yeah, I mean, it's funny because I say this, but I do think that FindLaw is a citation, one of the most important citations to have. The directory listings. But I believe you can do that without having to have their website and all that stuff. So two questions. First question is find a new company. Second, or first answer to your question is find a new company. Second is there a boost from their link juice? Yes, I think that there is I think that FindLaw is being listed in FindLaw is a good citation to have. However, they don't really do a lot of backlinking from what I can tell. So you're not going to get a boost from the links that they build, I don't think. I haven't seen any real significant links that they've ever built on any clients that I've analyzed from FindLaw. But yeah, the citation's good.